Hey guys, quick video on what each of these functions do on our T-Series. So this button here is for home. This button here will show up your menu of apps. This here will increase and lower the fan and also bring up the sub-menu for the fan. And this one here will show you which apps you have open. So for example, if I was to click the home button and open the car auto, and then I was to go here, car auto, and that will show up. Here is volume up and volume down. We still got the sticker on, and this is back. So if I was on Bluetooth and I want to go back home, press back and it goes back home. And these are just your standard climate controls down here. Obviously this is not actually in a car, so nothing is going to happen, but that's if you want it on recirculation or not. Aircon, the windscreen, like demister, and also like where you want the air to go. So yeah, that's what all the buttons do on the bottom of the T-Series. Cheers.